In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of resetting your encrypted password on WhatsApp. If you've forgotten your password and are locked out of your account, don't worry. Let's walk through the steps to recover your access. First, it's important to understand that WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption for your messages, which means that only you and the person you're communicating with can read what is sent. If you've enabled two-step verification, you'll need your encrypted password to access your account. Let's see how to reset it. If you've forgotten your two-step verification PIN, here's to reset it. Launch the app on your device. When prompted, enter the wrong PIN multiple times until you see the option to reset via SMS. Tap on Forgot PIN to initiate the recovery process. You'll receive a verification code via SMS to the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Enter that code to proceed. Once you verify your phone number, you can reset your two-step verification PIN. After entering the verification PIN, you'll be prompted to set a new PIN. Choose a number that you'll remember but is also secure. If you can't access the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account, the options are limited. Here's what you can do. Go to WhatsApp's official website and find the support section. You can submit a request for assistance regarding your account access. Be ready to provide details such as your phone number and the issue you're facing to help expedite the process. And that's it. You've learned how to reset your encrypted password on WhatsApp and regain access to your account. I hope these steps helped you out.